Hello, we are Project deVICE, and this is our third craft activity video. Today, we will be making a dog puppet out of paper. Materials you'll need: orange and white paper, depending on the color of dog you want, glue, and scissors. How to make the puppet? First, fold the orange paper into 3 sections. Glue the top fold down, and you will obtain a rectangle. Next, flip the rectangle and fold it vertically down. There are 2 flaps on each side, and fold both flaps down equally such that there are 2 pockets which you can put your hand in. Using the white paper, cut out the eyes, ears, mouth and nose of the dog. Then, glue them onto the dog. You can also cut out extra decorations and decorate your puppet to your liking. Now, you can repeat the steps with different colored paper and decorations to create other animals. Unleash your creativity. This activity is easy to make and mess-free. We hope that you and your child will have a lot of fun making the puppets together while staying away from your devices. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe.